Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of searching for a message in a broadcast on WhatsApp. If you've ever wanted to find a specific message within a broadcast chat, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your broadcast. Step 3. Tap the three dots at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Tap search. Step 5. Type a word from the message you're looking for. Step 6. Tap the up arrow or down arrow to navigate through the search results. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently search for a message within a broadcast chat on WhatsApp. Whether you're trying to find important information or just want to reminisce about past conversations, this feature can be incredibly helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy searching.